May 23rd of this year, we had the news that Justin Starling was joining Kyle Morantz on the KMR racing team with the quote, I am super excited to be joining KMR for the 2025 season. After years of running my own program, I saw what Kevin built in just one season and I knew it was what I need to get back in the main events consistently. The entire program is top tier and I'm ready to get behind the gate coming January 2025 on my KMR 450. Well, as of today, or at least as I'm reading it of today, that is no longer. He said the apparently in a post somewhere, I can't find it. Maybe I'm blocked. Who knows? He said, "quote Financially, the deal just not make sense. I do have a family, our daughter, our house, normal people bills. Financially, I have to do what makes the most sense, and that deal did not make sense for us." Which has to make you wonder, well, why did you sign it then if it didn't make sense? Because it's only been what 7 months since then. Not much has probably changed. Maybe that's just me. But Team KMR did have a response saying, unfortunately, Justin Starling has decided to go his own way and leave KMR. It saddens us to share this when so much effort has been put in. Rest assured, we are very grateful for all our partners and we'll see everyone at A1. We wish him the best. And as far as I can see, there's no notice on if they will add a second rider to continue the year or, well, I guess start the year because we haven't even gotten to January yet. So it kind of makes you wonder, how can you be so excited 7 months ago, sign a deal, and in the same year find out, nah, or just say, yeah, financially doesn't work for me. And obviously, I don't know the inner workings of this deal. I don't know what the monetary values were or anything like that. But if you haven't even made it to the season you signed to ride for, and then, like, I know he did some riding for them this year and stuff, but you haven't even made it to the 2025 season of which you were signed to do. How can this deal be so bad that you didn't even make it that far? So, to me, I don't know. This is just kind of a strange thing, especially going from a privateer to a team where they're going to, I mean, give you a bike and I'm assuming a trailer. You don't have to do any of the driving or anything, but whatever it is, I don't know. Kind of weird to me, but we'll see where this goes. See if Starling ends up racing, privateer program again or whatever happens. But before I leave you guys, comment down below. Tell me what you think of the situation. If you know anything, any behind the scenes stuff, comment down below that too. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.